Welcome to another video on my BeagleBoard, which runs Ubuntu Linux, is connected to this monitor by means of HDMI, Minicom serial terminal by means of this serial flat cable, and to this fischertechnik robot interface by means of USB, as well as network and internet for VNC, and all programmed in Python, with the purpose to have this roller track or marble run or whatever you call it, which starts up here, then follows a trajectory and then either goes here via this looping and then ending under here, or goes via this way ending under here, for this chain with magnets. Last time it showed that there are a few problems. One ball kept stuck here, and here is a little weakness behind it. So as well as an attempt to get balls from here to, well, here actually, from here to here. So that is what is focusing on, and all programmed in Python, and well, using software on screen. This monitor is inactive, but is used and is necessary for booting the BeagleBoard. Anyway, let's see whatever can be done to get it working. Well, this proves pretty hard, despite this construction which I tested last time. I don't think it will be used. This part is still in operation, but first thing right here behind it, that's first weakness that is going to be addressed. So let's see how that ends up. Alright, first thing then is to stabilize this part. And first, if you're watching for the first time, an introduction to the rest of the screen, by the way. Diagnosis interface, as you can see, then a terminal screen in which I can execute this Python source script, Minicom terminal as opposite to for this cable, and then obviously this one, the camera. So how do I stabilize this? Well, here is stabilization and connection for this part of the traject, and I can move this simple piece right here. So when I now try it with this bullet, and that is not really going, and I can see why, because it is flat, so it doesn't gain speed here anymore, I guess. Now let me try again from top. Where does it leave the trajectory? Well, and now it goes fine. So even that is not a guarantee for success. But anyway, it rests on here, so that is good. Another thing is, let's have a look here. The main problem with this is that it gets transported, but I can't get out. With a chain here is impossible, because with a chain you go forward, just like here. So I would have to take it from here to here, because this has to end before you get here, and this is ending behind it, so that can't be done. A second idea of transportation would be with, well, a chain with some whatever it's called in English on it, with the balls in between. However, that requires something like this, from here to here, but also a gear, and because of this distance it would be like this. And then there's another problem, just like here, when the balls line up, the balls will line up here as well, and there's a problem, because when the chain starts here, the lining up is here where they drop off in without speed, and it has to be higher, and that is not as easy. So when I am trying to take away this one, yes, hold it higher, will that work out? Well, let me find out if that could work out anyway. Right, that is not the correct one. Let's try it here. Alright, that won't go. That clearly won't work. So I need a different solution for that. That would work, but not in every solution, not in every circumstance. So that may be a problem. Also, I also tested it here in an angle, and then the balls just run off. So if this would be small and then a guide alongside it, it would be better, but this solution is rather doubtful. Nice idea. And if I take a ball, right, there goes a ball, be careful, and put this in here, what would happen? As flat as possible, flat angle then. It doesn't even stay on it. So that's another problem. So what idea is best? I don't believe in this solution, but this is not a solution either. I was also thinking about creating some kind of paternoster elevator, which is an elevator that is endlessly in a circle. But I like parts, and that is a serious issue. So for now, more reconstruction is somewhat difficult right now, unfortunately. I would also have to extend this. Here it has proven to be quite impossible, so I can put it like this again. The elevation was intended for this motor to be here with the screw pump, which is not going to work out in my first idea. So yeah, the biggest problem right now is this part where it somehow loses speed. So let's try again. Yeah, and this run is nice, very nice even. So I could run more stuff than now via the interface. So let's go there. So back to old situation. Let's roll and be prepared for escaping balls. Anyway, go. And there one goes. Yes. Pressing the switch. Oh, and I have a problem here because none of the switches is being pressed. So that is, oops, yep, drops off here. That one goes nicely. Now it is not pressed either. But I need oscilloscope to be sure that it is pressed or not. So I will have to change that and hook it up. Let's do that. Alright, hooked up. So let's see which signal is which. Oh wait, this has gone. Should be there. Alright. Well, nothing is plus. And this is the pulse width modulation signal from the motor. This one isn't connected. These one are, but anyway. Nothing is impressed. Absolutely nothing, which is not good. So when I press, no, not here, when I press, it works, but not the way I like. See, that is what I mean. And there goes another one, wherever it goes. I need to press this switch and it has no result whatsoever. So, and that's wrong. Okay, So this works. But I am pressing this switch. Okay, I am pressing this switch here. And now, considering this signal, it should go there. Which clearly does not happen. Now something happens. I hear something, but I don't know what. It's not this, because it's not blocked at all. Okay, let me hold it up here. Do I get a signal? No. Once again, the yellow one here. It's not doing anything. So, quit. Something is working, and yet it isn't. So, where is the problem? Now this is working to the extent of, aha, look at that. Right? Next. Right. So, aha, now I see what happens. Okay. Now I see what happens. The sound that I hear is the worm gear from, is the sound of the worm gear from the chain motor, which is not connected. Now I connect it by pulling it up. Now it will work. So let's do it again. See, this happens. Now this works. Yeah, signal gets high. Press again. And I need to change the time base. Big time. Yeah. See, now I have a nice signal. There you go. And once more. That was wrong, obviously. That goes right. And switching again. And yes, I want to show this. And there a ball goes again. Why? I honestly have no clue. And here, let me stop it. And that's the danger. Two balls here. I didn't stop them. So if I have this chain up here and they line up, they drop. And that's not a good thing. So, what to do? I'm not quite sure. At least this one is fixed again. But so far no solution to automate a transfer here or there. And that is too bad. So with a non-really working idea with a chain for this position to here, a non-working screw pump from here to here, then two balls that for some reason remain here, at least a fixed solution here, and something that happens now and then here, including once again a failing thing here. But yeah, enough to think about. And again, I needed probes to be sure that signals are being sent and received. So with only one kind of solution, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, always welcome. And let me reposition the camera for a moment. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe to my channel, already said that. You can also support by making a donation via PayPal or Wired. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. All information about it is on my website, and you can find the URL to my website under this video, including my social media names and how to donate. Other projects on the website, also on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, to be continued, and bye bye.